Okay, today we're going to talk about how to make a vinyl sticker using the Cricut. When you download the Cricut Design Space software and create a login, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You may get a pop-up indicating to choose what kind of Cricut you have up in this top right corner. If you're using the one available in our Idea Lab, it is the Cricut Maker. So I'm going to select that one. Once you have your Cricut selected, you can then come over here on the left side of the screen and hit this plus mark to start a new project. For this project, we're going to create a vinyl sticker using the text feature, which is over here on the left side panel. You will see a text box appear somewhere in your canvas space. You can either type your name or you can type in a short phrase. If you want to change the font, you go up to the editing section in the left-hand corner over here. You will see font and you click the drop down. You'll see a bunch of different things pop up, but make sure that you click System here. These are the free fonts that come with the Cricut. So I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to find one that I like. So if you grab onto your text, you can move it around the canvas space and you will see numbers that appear on the top and the right side of the text. This is the dimensions. So if you decide that it is either too small or too big, if you grab the arrow on the bottom right corner, click and drag, you can change the size of your sticker. Before we send it to the Cricut machine, we just want to double check that our item says basic cut. If it does not say basic cut, if it says some other function, you can either click the layer or you can click directly on your item to select it. And up here under operation, you can change it to cut basic. When you're happy with your design and its size, go up to the right-hand corner and click Make It. After you click Make It, it will take you to the project preview screen. This screen shows you where your design will be cut out on your Cricut mat. So when I'm laying the vinyl onto my mat, I want to make sure it covers 7 squares across and about 2 squares down. I'm going to go to the bottom right and hit Continue to go to the next section. The first thing you'll have to do is tell the machine what kind of material you are cutting out. So I'm going to click Popular, and then I'm going to find Vinyl. Once it's selected, it will tell you what tools need to be in the machine and what button to click to load it. So I'm going to load the machine now. Once the machine is loaded, the screen will say Press Go, which is the little Cricut symbol on the machine. Once you unload the mat, you're done, and you can click Finish in the bottom right corner.